I think it's amazing. Meeting people who are at the same level, starting their businesses.
They keep telling you can do it, you can do it. If you put into action, then you would have the results. Be bold, do the James Bond way.
I make herb and spice mixes that taste really good and do good as well. So sustainable packaging, I'm incorporating local suppliers when I can. Doing Rebel, I think, gave me the momentum to kind of get out there and gave me a bit of confidence as well that I might not have had. It doesn't have to be perfect. So just get out there, give it a go, and the worst that can happen is someone says they don't like it or it doesn't work, and then you just go back and work on it after that.
I just heard about them, from Facebook, and I said, why not? I think the more energy you put into it, the more payoff you're gonna see. So it's about how much you believe in your business and how much time, energy, money you put into it. It was like a hobby, a passion, but I wanted to turn it into a real business, profitable business, and that's why I got into the Rebel School. Everything is teaching you around us, so we just need to be open and listen and grab the lesson.
I'm a photographer. It was my passion since, 12 years ago. But about 3 years ago, I started this business. Recently, about last year, I started full-time. I quit my engineering job and start this one full-time. My main takeaway of this school is the hope and the vision about my business, and I understand that I can do that. And I just removed the fear from my life. So I put it away, the fear. You never be fearless, it's always there. So you need to jump into that.
The community here is very supportive, like even today, great turnout. You learn from the experience. So that's always my motto. I'm always prepared to learn from all the experience that people has. I heard about Rebel Business School from a random email, and I'm very fortunate to really decided to join because I've learned a lot from Rebel Business School. They are very professional, very knowledgeable, and very inspirational. It's absolutely valuable to me, and I learned a lot.
I got made redundant last year. Social welfare put me in touch with Rebel, and if I wanted to do the course. It's been amazing for me, and they've helped me get started. And so now I've just launched my website selling limited edition prints.
It's always neat to watch people follow their dreams. The Rebel Business School support turns their dreams into real, sustainable and competitive businesses. So really satisfying to observe that. Rebel Business School is all about fostering innovation and supporting the growth of competitive and sustainable businesses. And that's a really neat fit for an economic development agency like ChristchurchNZ.
It's just quite inspiring to see people have actually taken the step of making it happen. And all their products look really great. I've tried a few. Yeah, it's really cool. Rebel Business School has a great model which is really well aligned with the people we serve. So starting a business with very few resources, for a lot of people that is a pathway to greater economic security than just taking a minimum wage job. It's the confidence and the belief that it's something you could do yourself and not something that's for flashy people in suits to do. I think that's probably one of the biggest parts of it.